Bakit pa lang tulog na niyan? Ingay?
Oh?
Oo, dinig ko rin, oh.
Yan guys, pauwi na tayo. Maga na ng Canada Day. Happy Canada Day. Pauwi na tayo. Kanina yata umulan. Sana hindi umulan mamaya para makalabas naman mamaya. Kahit pa paano. Makulimlim oh, maulap. Hindi naman gano'ng kalamig. Ano, umulan kanina. Habang nasa loob kami. Yan, makauwi na para makatulog muna kung gagala kami mamaya pag hindi umulan.
A few moments later.
Morning, Kadreamers! So where are we going?
To Canada.
Canada Day! To Wascana!
I hope this, so I paid her. And that's for the
Okay. Outfit check. If I said outfit check, Ella, you turn around. Me?
Umaano sa akin ng dito.
Alin? Oh, Ella, turn around. Outfit check. More turn. Ping! Guys, umaambon. So, good luck to us. Pero magbe-breakfast muna kami dyan sa Teams. Naka-raincoat naman sila and protected naman. May mga dala rin akong extra clothes. Para kung sakali, di ba? Hindi natin alam. Ayan guys. Parang nagbabago yung ano namin, plans namin. May imimit tayo sa Jollibee din. Yeah, tara, let's go kung anong magiging plan. Pero nagpapagas muna kami dito sa kapitbahay namin. Ginagamit mo ba yung points natin? Okay. Guys, papunta na tayo. So, bumili kami ng mga drinks. Na rin sila. How are you guys? Oh, Ella will see her friend Atina. So, yan.
No, I want to tell you something. Ella is really, really lucky.
Of course. How about you? Where's your friend? Because you don't have friends. So, yan. Punta muna tayo ng Jollibee. Then, ayun. Long drive.
A few moments later.
Guys, may nakuha kaming scratch and win. So, scratch na lang namin siya pagka. Diyan na muna. Tina,
Brother.
you're good?
Yeah. This is my best friend, Tina, because I love each other. Because I just want to play with her.
No, you're gonna play with her.
Yeah, I want to play with Ella too. When I go to
You want to come in our house?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you my new makeup.
And swimming pool.
Wait, I'm gonna show you my swimming
Oh!
Every
What?
week
How?
is Canada Day because the whole is Canada.
But we're going there. We won't have fun in Canada today. We're gonna have Canada Day in the car. I got that.
You're excited, girls and boys?
Yeah.
Girls and boy?
Yeah.
Happy Canada Day!
Canada Day. We're going to a 3-hour.
Convoy kami guys today. Oh, excited na sila!
Excited na sila! And my EJ, and my Nana, and my Wowo. Different car. I'll be tell them. You're inside our car.
So, ayan guys. Punta na tayo.
Turn left onto Quail Street, South Service Road, then turn left onto Coleman Street. At the light, turn left onto Coleman Street, then turn right.
Sabihan mo lang kung kaya mo ha. Muna tayo guys. So, yan. Okay naman mga gulong natin, no?
Is that the call?
Kung magmadali na dito kasi may mga RCSB dito.
She's riding shotgun. Caden's up front with his new shades on and shit.
Guys, stop over muna kami sa... wala kang pasok next week. Ay, oo nga. Enjoying! No, you will use that when you're going to use your boots. Sige, wala ka ng socks, Ella. Smile! Athena, smile! Yan guys, maulan na. Pero tuloy pa rin tayo sa ating Canada Day long drive. What did you say?
We're celebrating Canada Day on Brandon.
Yes, with
Oh, yeah.
Athena.
That's why we call you the Brandon.
Yeah.
But-
This is it.
I hate boys, Ellen. Why? Oh, but we need money to take the plane. If we use the plane, then... What's records?
Yeah. We will go to the zoo?
No!
No?
No! It's too far. Mommy and with daddy. And then I go with mommy and with daddy and with Kayla and with me. And
Athena has a mother, has a father, and Kuya EJ too. Right, Athena?
Go to zoo with Ollie. With Ollie.
Guys, we're almost here na sa Brandon. Oh, there's a park there. Hi! Tingnan niyo. It's a blue park. Yeah. Anong ibig sabihin? What's that? Text message. So wala pa nga tayo sa Brandon. Okay. Tama yung sinabi ko pala. 12. Brandon. Minutes na lang guys. Nasa mismong town na tayo. Yeah, 5 minutes. Almost. Yeah, we will see the fireworks.
How would you do swimming?
Swimming?
And go to pool and get the big surprise.
To get.
Also, we go to Vegas.
Yeah.
I want to get a toy. Yeah, with the way to ride it. Mom, you want to get a toy?
The father of the family, his name is Daryl. Mother is Joanne, and she is my friend.
So you want to go to the park to slide?
And Pooper Ella.
A purple dress for Ella?
Yeah, I just. It's mommy hide it.
Your mommy hide it?
Yeah,
Yeah, we will get it in your house, okay?
it doesn't move. It's Ella's birthday.
Ella's birthday!
Yeah, I just did her this. Just did on my
Happy Ella? Oh, you hold hands together na.
body.
You already holding hands? Wow! Friends forever! Best friends?
Yeah.
Yes? Say hi!
Hi. How are you at that Ella's birthday? And I did for her. It's a book for her.
Purple? Ay? Hmm? A purple?
Yeah, it's that I got
Pupunta tayo sa Riverbank Discovery ng Brandon. Bale, 5 minutes siya. Ah, ito na pala yung Stanley Park.
May spray pa.
Ganun lang pala. May spray pad sila. Oh.
Right on 18th Street, Manitoba 10 North.
Nag-spray pad talaga dito. Ay, kaso wala tayong ano pala. Towel.
At the light, turn right on 18th Street, Manitoba 10 North. Continue on Manitoba 10 North for 1.5 kilometers.
Ayan. Discovery Downtown. Uy, ayan. Yung may bridge silang paganyan. Eh, effect ko.
Yay! We're going higher!
Ayan.
Going higher! Yeah, we're going so higher! It was fun! The
Slide!
We're higher there! Oh, we can do higher! Look at my one there! Yeah, look! The other puppy! Ice cream truck. There? Yeah, I saw ice cream truck. Yeah, I saw that too. I saw ice cream store. Whoa! The truck is over there.
Saan sila papunta? Saan sila papunta?
Galing sila.
Tina.
O, galing nga
Not
sila.
sorry, I just go there. We'll pack my Olaf there. I think we can.
The David Thompson Bridge.
Car in my bag. Car there. Car. Wait, I
In
want.
300 meters, turn right onto Kirkcaldy Drive.
I saw it. Me too. Oh, there's a car there. Wait.
Kahit ganito ang weather, tuloy pa rin.
Why was it out there? It's not higher.
Mas masaya sana kung maaraw na, no? Daming magagawa.
It's higher.
At the light, turn right onto 14th Street North, Conservation Drive.
What to pay blood?
Ay, dito na. Mahirap mag-park.
Also to go high.
Ayan na yung riverbank. Oh. Na tayo guys ng ano. Hindi na makapasok.
Get lost.
So dito lang talaga yung ano.
911.
Yung time ko pa.
Oo.
If you lost, you need for 911 so that you.
Lalakad na lang tayo.
Whatever, I know. What's wrong?
Magastos ka tulad ng nanay. Ayaw na nga niya.
Dinala mo kasi sa kapila eh.
Ayaw. Ang luwag. Ang luwag naman dito, ate. Oh, there's a washroom there. We can check it, okay? You can pee. Okay? You're not comfortable? Dito na kami sa
wear your jacket.
Brandon.
Wear your jacket, it's cold. Come on. It's cold. Wear it.
Brandon.
Wear the jacket in your arms. Come on. It's cold.
Iniwan namin ang Regina para sa Brandon.
Yung furnace ang ganda.
Wala na bang ano dito? What? Ay! Ay! Aakyat na! Ay!
Your hair. Fix your hair. Smile.
Kung ano yung masabi. Guys, so, dito tayo sa Discovery Park nila. Ang daming tao. What will you say? Say thank you!
Oh, sticker.
Stickers! And tattoos! Guys, andito kami ngayon. Nagtitingin ng pins.
Oh. That's okay.
Wala cash lang, no? Galing na. Galing na mag ano. O, put na da ano, ipin. Ang galing naman ito. Magkano daw dapat?
10.
Hindi, magkano daw dapat?
12.
Ah, 12 sabi niya. Lagayan na po ng pin ng mga tatay.
Isang rock siya. Hindi sa ano. Hindi yan bibigyan. Isang rock.
The father of the family.
Gandang pin. Wow.
My mother is Joanne, and she is my friend. Their daughter is Ela, and she is a star.
Ano pa?
Their son is Hayden, and he
Yan,
is
oh,
really
ganyan, oh.
smart.
Peonies. Parang umano na nga siya sa ano.
The Estrada's family, the Estrada's family,
Ah, ito oh, ang ganda.
the Estrada's family.
Parang gusto mong tingnan mo kung may ano na bunot.
Mabango yan.
Mabango ba yan?
May amoy.
The father of the family, his
Ano, ano?
name is Daryl.
Go.
Mother is
Kinurek ko.
Joanne, and she
Gopher.
is my
Gopher.
daughter is Ayla, and she is a star. Their son is Hayden,
Lang?
and he's really
Ilang-ilang.
smart.
Oh, sampalita.
The Estrada's family,
Or ilang-ilang.
the Estrada's family, the Estrada's family, the Estrada's family, the
Alam mo ba nung mga first namin dito, ate? Naghahanap kami ng yung ganyan, dahon. Yung ganyan. Naikot na namin yung Wascana.
Kana inikot-ikot na.
Meron dun eh.
One eternity later.
Tap ng ano.
Tayo si Ken. Una, hindi sila pwede mag-park.
Dito, pasok tayo dyan sa loob o kasi ate. Pasok tayo sa loob, doon may upuan doon, pag ganun, paano tayo. Wag tayo dito.
Sa grass.
O, doon sa grass, oh.
Ay, pwede.
May nakapag-set up. See? Canada Day! Tingnan niyo naman, guys. Totoo. Ano totoo? Kain tayo sa Montanas. Labas ng Montanas. May dala kasi kaming Chicken Joy. Ayan po. Sa Jollibee kumain.
Mango, okay. You stop crying. I'll give you a mango.
Ayan, may chicken. Sarap yarn. You want tissue, Kaden?
One eternity later.
So, ayan guys, nakapack up na tayo. Pauwi na. Hanap lang kami ng washroom din. Aalis na din kami. Dito kami
We're
nag
going.
Kaden, can you pick that kalat?
We're going.
Sige na.
What?
This one, oh, this is a kalat.
Where are you going?
We're going home.
But it's so long.
I love it. Sit with us.
Ella, you want to stick with me? I'm not ready for you.
Said no, see?
No?
She said no.
Pabaiyakin niya. Iyak na. Si kuya talaga. Sige na, let's go na. Let's find a washroom.
No! No, I
Athena,
don't want
look,
to go
where's
to
your car
the
seat?
washroom.
Check. Check. Look over there.
Hello, Kadreamers. So, ayan, papunta na tayo sa Home Depot para mag-washroom. Then, hanap ng kagasolinahan and uuwi.
I want to go to the airport.
Airport.
Yeah, because you have free tickets.
No, miss.
Dapat dun nga kami sabi ni
Ah.
dito na lang
A few moments later.
Hello, guys. Pauwi na kami.
After this, we're going to the airplane.
Ang ganda dun, guys. Papunta dun sa taas na yun. So, eto, pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami mag-gas sa Shell. Uy, ang taas ng tinalon ulit. 552, no?
From 291 na.
Thank you, Brandon, Manitoba. Say thank you to Brandon, Manitoba. Parang construction dito. Oh? Yes! Susosyal ng mga bahay dito, guys. Ang lalaki, no? Oh? Mga mansyon. May porn pa sila. Sa hill talaga, no? Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda yan. Ang peaceful talaga pag may tubig. No, Dari? Iba ang ano na. Alam, dumi-dumi na yun. Ayun guys, ang lapit na natin sa window. Para tayong nasa Pagudpon. Grabe no? Cute. Tumilang kasi ng vlog natin. So, yan. Nakakamiss ang Ilocos. Dreamers, so nakapasok na tayo ng Saskatchewan. Palit 10 na ang dating namin. Kanina 11. 1 hour behind ang Saskatchewan. So, yan. Maambon na. Hindi ko sure kung makakanood pa kami ng fireworks or maulan pa din dito sa Canada Day. Diba? Kaya, tingnan natin. Ayan guys, sobrang lakas na ng ulan dun sa part na yon. Diba? So, hindi natin sure kung hanggang Regina na ba tong ulan na to. Pero grabe oh. Ganito na ang summer, baliktad na. Climate change na din dito. anyways, grateful pa din kami kahit papaano nakapag-celebrate ng Canada Day. And yeah, ibang celebration to, di ba dahil? Kasi last time, we always go to Wascana na lang, di ba? Everyday pancake, loob lang ng Regina. Ganun din daw yung kaibigan namin kasama namin. Sabi niya first time niya din nakalabas ng Canada Day. Yeah, we miss the pancake but it's fine, right?
It's raining.
Because it's raining, we don't want to get sick, right?
Yeah, and I don't want, and they don't, and I don't.
But Ella's still a tattoo.
But I don't.
Maple tattoo. Right, Ella?
And Molly, I don't want there to guys in the fireworks. So I know the way
Yeah.
it stops.
Yeah, I hope the rain stops so we can watch the fireworks.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, ito 9 PM. Medyo malapit na tayo, isang oras na lang. At maaraw pa, alam mo mga ano pa lang, alas 6, alas 5. Si Joan ang nagmamaneho.
Ako, inunahan na ako. Si Daryl kasi dinidistract ako.
At wala na yung ulan. Hindi siya maulan.
Abot pa tayo sa ano?
Depende, 20, sabi mo 10:30.
Oo. Pwede
Pero
pa naman, pero wala nang pwesto.
wala nang pwesto. Sayang lang din.
Where's the Jesus car?
The back.
One eternity later.
Guys, nakauwi na rin kami. So ka-dreamer, so ayan, sarado na lahat ng mga tindahan dito sa amin kasi alas 10 na. Hindi na kami nanood ng fireworks. So magluluto na lang tayo ng corned beef.